Me, I'm very happy kasi naging part kami ng TFC, of course, hindi lang sa Manila, parang yung mga kapamilya natin all over the world talaga na-appreciate nila yung mga teleseries and lahat ng ginagawa namin. So, I'm very happy and siguro maganda rin kasi sa ASAP and sa kapamilya is tinitreat namin lahat na parang mga kapamilya. Totoo yung sinabi ni Ate Yang. And talagang excited kami na
Mike.
ayan, excited kayo na mag-perform lang para sa inyong lahat sa Saturday kasi magiging masaya lang po kayong lahat.
Ako naman po talaga nagpapasalamat lang na nasasama po kami dito sa mga TFC na show para magpasaya po ng mga kapwa nating mga Pilipino dito sa ibang bansa. At masaya lang po na nakikita sa mga mukha nila na masaya kasi na nakakita na naman po ng mga kapwang Pilipino. At yun lang po, masaya na po kami sa ganun.
Thank you.
Good evening, I'm Yasmin from Inquirer.net, and my question is for everybody on the panel.
I think if there's any struggle with, I think it has something to do with jet lag also. Plus, if you're not feeling well, how can you perform properly if you don't feel well? So I think water would be good.
Wow. Wow.
So yes,
Nice.
I'm jet lag, so my answers are like this.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Oo. Now, actually, we can all sense the bliss that's emanating from Miss Yang Constantino over there because of love. Ngayon po, may question rin about love na nanggaling sa TFC.tv because we are being live streamed on TFC.tv right now. Are Danielle and Catherine ready to admit that they're BF and GF already? From Basaynon for DJP.
Susunod. Susunod. Right, Chris, Chris, You're the guy. You should answer. You're the guy. Sorry.
Hindi po. Hindi po kayo nagkakamali. Dahil ako na, wala. Wala.
Love it.
Ano naman ang masasabi ni Catherine?
Hindi din po. Mas na-enjoy lang po namin yung LA. Si Anshang daw po, may sabihin.
If we tell you the mystery's over, we'd like to keep the mystery going. Take it from someone who used to have lots of mystery.
Hi, my name is Melissa Jane Rodriguez. I'm with Asians on Film.
Question kay Catherine. Catherine, you were here in Los Angeles when you participated in OK Go Universal Studios Hollywood.
Yes, 2 years ago po.
Yeah, and you were at the cusp of teenage superstardom at that time. How much of you has changed since then?
I think 2 years ago yun with Julia Montes, it was my first time to go here pa nun. And super na-enjoy ko talaga yung LA. And ngayon, parang wala naman masyado nagbago. Siguro mas marami lang akong natutunan for the past years. And mas marami pa akong kailangan matutunan. And yeah, excited pa ako sa mga mangyayari in the future po.
Thank you. Guys, questions? Okay, go.
Don't be shy.
Hi, Gary. I'm Marisa. About 10 years ago, di ba yung nag-show kayo dito ng ASAP sa Rose Bowl? Munti na emergency ka. Yeah. So, anong pakiramdam mo ngayon na bumalik ka uli dito na healthy?
Yeah. No,
From Fangirl Ninja 26 for Catherine Bernardo, when will your album be released?
Before this year ends po. So yeah, sana supporta. One more song pa yung i-record and then after that, pictorial na and then i-release na po siya. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good luck on that one.
Thanks.
Okay, and then here's a couple more. Okay, from Basaynon for DJP. is there going to be, how's this? Tres concert so we can make plans of going home? Is there going to be a tres concert so we can plan on going home?
And, depende po sa kanila yan, ma'am. Depende po kung tayo gusto pa rin ng taong mag-concert. Pero nasa kanila po yun.
Got it. Okay. Okay, we'd like to introduce Mr. Gerald Anderson and Maha Salvador to join the panel.
Sa mga kwento po, meron pong mga nananaig, meron pong nagagapi. Ako po yung nagapi. Ako po yung hindi umabot sa flight. So, we have to rebook our flight the following day. And kasi sobra talaga ang lalane. Parang minsan tatanungin mo, asan na yung tax? Kasi medyo mahal yung mga tax na binabayaran tapos walang hahaba. Pero yun po yung Opo, pero sana po makagawa ng paraan. Kasi konting ulan lang sa Manila ngayon, tapos parang sobrang grabe na yung traffic. So, lesson learned. So, the following day, nung na-rebook kami, sobrang aga naman namin to the point na si Vina at si Angeline natutulog na sa lounge. Kasi sobrang aga.
Nung sa storya ko, akala ko ang galing-galing namin. Pero nung nalaman ko yung ginawa ni Gerald, mas intense pala si Gerald. Si Gerald, siya talaga nagmotor Ako nakisakay lang ako scooter pa. Pero talaga magpapasalamat po kami dun sa kaibigan po namin na si Dehin Strillo. Maraming salamat, Dehin Strillo, dahil nga talagang pinuntahan pa kami, nasa Osmeña kami, pinunta kami, galing siya pang Cubao yata. So, sinundo lang kami, nagmotor lang kami para makaabot sa flight going here. Kaya sobrang intense yun, pero mas intense ka pa rin dyan, galing mo.
Now you know the answer to the question, how badly do we want to be in Los Angeles? How important, how much do we love Los Angeles? So important that the biggest names in the industry had to make sakay on a motorcycle on strangers' bikes. So that's the answer to your question.
This question's for everybody. I was just wondering, what's the number one thing you guys want to do before you head back to the Philippines? What's the number one thing you want to do in LA? The number one thing you want to do in LA before you head back home?
Bamboo wants to watch the Clippers against the Lakers tomorrow. Warriors against the Lakers tomorrow.
Ellen DeGeneres.
DeGeneres? You weren't you already on that show?
I want a picture with her.
Yeah, I want to hug her. But anyone knows anybody who's got tickets for Bamboo? That's what you like to do, huh? Yeah. Got in? Daniel also wants the Lakers against the Warriors. I want to go to Disneyland one more time. That's my favorite place in LA.
Mr. Steve Angeles from, okay,
I have one.
Yes.
I kissed a girl and her false teeth fell off. That's got to be the best. Or and when I first started in showbiz, we used to write letters, not email, letters. I answered lots of fan mail before. I swear to God. And then one girl returned my letter because she doesn't know who Mountain Niagara is. She couldn't understand my signature, so she returned it. Martin Rivera, but it looked like Mountain Niagara. She goes, who's Mountain Niagara? Go.
Okay, from Mr. Steve Angeles of Balitang America.
Oi, hey guys. I know usually when you do the shows, you come in, maybe do a little shopping, come out. But this one's different. I know you guys have been out and about doing mga...
The two-seater sa bus kanina, humiga na kami kasi sobrang... We went straight to spills doing VTRs and shoots from the airport. So without any sleep, we just do our work. And every time na may mga rest period, ginagrab namin yung opportunity. So, nakagirl kami. So, pero basta I think what's most important thing is masaya kayo, yung kasama mo, yung mga kagrupo mo. Kasi nakakawala ng pagod, nakakabawas ng pagod.
Kasi may random partnering, parang iba-iba yung grupo.
Okay, babalik rin natin ang sitwasyon.
Okay.
You are the writers. You are the writers and you're given one word to describe what ASAP Live in LA is gonna be. Okay, just one word. We're gonna start with Gerard Anderson. Okay. One word to describe ASAP. Kayo ang writer ngayon. Oo.
According to Enchong, awesome.
Awesome from Gerard. Okay, now next, Maha Salvador. One word.
Spectacular.
Spectacular. Yang Constantino.
Astig.
Ano da? Astig. Okay. Bamboo.
Class act. Classy. Class.
Powerful.
There we go.
Powerful.
Okay. Powerful. Okay.
Naisip mo ba yun? Sorry.
No, it's one word, okay? But there's a reason why I'm gonna.
Gary can't just do one word. I'm sorry.
No, I wanted to add on to the answer that Sina Martin and Bamboo gave a while ago, and it was it has to do with why ASAP is where it is today, because we love what we do. Well, you know, you have a bunch of artists, almost I think 70 in all, and there are many more artists out there. But there's a reason why we are part of this show. You know, we're chosen to be part of this show. So I think that being chosen, you know, God has some great plan as to why we're a part of this. So the word I'm going to choose for tomorrow, for the show on the 11th is I'm just going to say it's going to be blessed.
Amen. Amen.
So.
Okay. Amen.
Try, son. Try. Pray.
My word was a dirty word. I can't say that now. Unforgettable.
Unforgettable. Enchong.
Memorable.
Memorable. Are you guys writing it down? Okay. Catherine.
It's gonna be fun.
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 Fun,
yeah.
fun. And Danielle. Okay.
Intense.
Yes! A big round of applause, everybody. ASAP Live in LA press conference now.
He's a man of few words, huh?
Yes.
I've only heard like 4 words from this guy.
Thank you so much to everybody, to Miss Joyce Liquisha, the business unit head of ASAP, and all our celebrities. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And to everybody who